with voices.
Iggle, piggle, eagle, onk. We're going to catch the Pinky Ponk.
Not as long as me.
Hurry up, Pinky Ponk.
I'll try. It's not my fault I get toad so slow. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see what we need today. Oh, look at all these daisies. Wait a minute, look at then.
Who's here?
Look at all these daisies. Ooh, I like that one. Wow.
Upsy Daisy.
Huh? Oh, I didn't see you there.
Hello, Upsy Daisy.
Hello.
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I am the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do.
Oh, what's that?
Who's here?
Oh,
Iggle Piggle. Hello, Iggle Piggle.
hello.
Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, Iggle, Iggle Piggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, Iggle, Iggle. Hello, Iggle Piggle.
Huh? Oh, look at who that is. Better go see. Look at what that is. I think I know it. Hey, hello.
Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle.
That's fine. You want me? Sure. Come on then. Whoa. Can you hear that? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the trees. Oh. Oh.
Windy day in the garden.
Oh, yeah. We don't really have wind in the garden. No, we never have wind. It's the first time in wind. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Should we go that way? Sure. Whoops. Your pail, your blanket. Oh my god. It flew away.
Your blanket blew away.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my goodness, the lights. Ah. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. He feels on the floor.
Don't worry, Eagle Pickle.
Ah. Don't
It's a
worry.
windy day in the garden.
It sure is. Yeah. Man, better hold my blanket then. Yeah. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh my god. What would you do in the garden? We know we don't have wind in the garden. Oh man.
The Pinky Hawk.
Jeez. Oh god, I can't even drive properly. The wind is pushing me. Oh boy. Oh god, the bush. Oh man. Okay, this is gonna be hard for me now because it's windy. Whoa. Should be okay though.
The Tombliboo Bush.
It's me. Over here. And I'm here.
The Tombliboos. Omniboo, Tombliboo, knock on the door. Omniboo, Tombliboo, sit on the
Oh,
floor.
look at this.
Omniboo, Tombliboo, here is my nose. Omniboo, Tombliboo, that's how it goes.
Alright, okay.
Hello, Tombliboos.
Hello.
What are you doing today?
What are we doing today? What are we doing?
Are you playing outside in the garden?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we are. We are.
Tombliboos,
Hmm?
can we go with you?
I think, why not? Sure, absolutely. Oh boy, oh god. Whoa, my goodness. Look at the trees.
Tombliboos, it's a windy day in the garden today.
Yeah. We never have wind in the garden. Oh, look at the trousers. Oh my goodness. Look at Whitey. We never have wind. My goodness me. Oh man. Yeah, we're going to walk. Hey, go get trousers. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, trousers. Uh oh. Oh, what the? Oh no. Oh, well, my trousers are still there. Never mind. Never mind. Okay.
Look at that,
No.
Tombliboos. Your trousers blew away.
Yeah, it did.
What a windy
What's
day
strong in the
in
wind?
garden.
I don't know. Oh man.
Catch your trousers, Tombliboos.
Right. We gotta cast them. Yes, we can try. It went that way. They did. Okay. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go, yeah. Okay. Right, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, they're so high up. It looks like a catcher. We're gonna try hard. Just keep trying. Now they're going that way. Oh, man, this wind. Oh, on, careful. Sorry. Oh my god. They're going this way. Oh man. Come on. Oh, sorry, okay. Yeah. Oh man. Catch. Where are they going? I don't know. Yeah, try and catch them. We gotta catch them, guys. Come on. Yeah, come on, go. It's still went this way. Come on. Wait, come on, you two. Wait, let's go, come on. Okay, wait. Okay. Oh my days. Got them. Oh my god, they're right near us. Oh man. Oh, come on. Oh, back at the foot. Where are they now? I don't know. Huh? Where are they chances now? Wait, they're up there. Look. Huh? Oh my god, you're right. They're on top of the bush. Oh my god.
That, Tombliboos. The wind blew your trousers right up onto the roof.
Yeah. Oh my god. How are we gonna get them? I don't know. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. Okay. Way up there. I'm gonna see if I can try and get it. Oh man. Oh man. Can you reach it? No, I don't think I can.
Oh dear.
Oh,
The Tombliboos can't reach their trousers.
no. I can't reach them. They're too high. Oh no. Man. Oh man. Well, this sucks.
Tombliboo trousers on the roof. The Tombliboos are playing sad music. I think they might be missing their trousers.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we can't reach on the roof. Yeah. Oh.
The Pinky Pong.
Wait, wait. The what's? Oh, the trust on the roof. Oh dear. I think I have an idea. I can use my tail to like push them. Let's see if that works. Come on. I'm going. Yes, it worked. They should go inside the tunnel, the bush. Oh, what the? On? What? Oh, what? What the? We can't go down the lights. I don't know. Wait, hang on, do that. Huh? Oh, trousers. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, it's the trousers. Oh my goodness.
Look at that, Tombliboos. It's your trousers.
Yeah, somehow. Oh my god. Oh my god. How did they went in? I don't know. Someone must have did. Saved there. Oh, let's go put it back, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Over here. Oh, over here too. Ah, here we are. Okay. Right, let's put them on. Yeah, let's put them on quickly. Yeah, before they get blown away. Okay. Mine on. Mine all do. Yeah, mine are we. Perfect. Oh boy. Awesome.
Blew the top little trousers away, and the Pinky Ponk blew them back again.
Oh, Pinky Ponk. Oh, Pinky Ponk was the saved us. Ah. Thank you, Pinky Ponk. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think it's time for that dance. Yeah, gazebo. Oh. Hey, that's nice. Good job. Good job, everybody. Good job. Very good. Oh, that sound.
The Tittifers have sung their song.
What do we eat, I say? I know. Think of the way that's going.
Time to go to sleep, Tombliboos.
Oh, yes. Yeah, after all that running. Yeah. Look at the way that's going down now. Yeah, the way that's going. Well, should we get inside? Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Let me do backwards. Okay. Here we go. I'm in my bed. Got my bed. Here I come. Okay.
A story.
That's a story.
Once upon a time, in the night garden, the wind blew Eagle Pickle's blanket right away. And back again. Then it blew the Tombliboo trousers right up onto the roof. Oh dear, Tombliboos. The Pinky Ponk blew the Tombliboo trousers back to the Tombliboos again. Thank you, Pinky Ponk. The Tombliboos love their trousers.
Absolutely, yes. Thank you, Big Mark. Yep.
Go to sleep, Tombliboos.
Oh, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, everyone.
Go to sleep, Pontypines.
Well, guys, good night.
Go to sleep, Upsy Daisy.
Good night.
Go to sleep, Macapaca.
Good night. We'll see you guys. Good night. Alright, good night. Wow, what a windy day it was. Yeah, maybe not the Tommy Boots got the trousers back. There's not on the roof. Oh, that's nice of you. Yeah, good night. Good night.
Everybody. Wait a minute. Somebody's not in bed. Who's not in bed? Eagle Pickle's not in bed.
No, no. No.
Don't worry, Eagle Pickle. It's time to go.
You're right. Good night, everyone.